Hello students, today we are understanding to multiply any number by 2. It may seem very easy, but let us see the concept. Students, when we multiply 0 with 2, the answer is 0. When we multiply 1 with 2, the answer is 2. When we multiply 2 with 2, the answer is 4. 2 multiply 3, answer is 6, and 2 multiply 4, answer is 8. All of you know this. And in the next set, if we multiply 2 with 5, the answer is 10. 2 with 6, answer is 12. 2 with 7, answer is 14. 2 with 8, answer is 16, and 2 with 9, answer is 18. 2 with 10, there is no point since we are understanding to multiply with a single digit. Okay. Here, the point to be noted over here is whenever we multiply 2 with a number which is less than 5, these are less than 5, there is no carry. When the number is more than 5, there is carry 1 as the only carry as 1. ध्यान रहे कि यहाँ पर कैरी सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1 ही आने वाला है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं. So let us see how we are using this concept in multiplication. For example, 1 digit की तो ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो तो 2 का टेबल ही आ गया. Suppose I am multiplying 14 with 2. So what I need to do is I'll start from my left side. We used to call this method double of any number. So what we'll do is we'll do double of 1, which will be 2, and double of 4 will be 28. That's the answer. Suppose we are multiplying 28 with 2. The answer is double of 2 is 4, but again, as we have did in the addition method, double of 2 is 4, but next number is 5 or more than 5, then we will have a carry as 1 and will increase the answer by 1 only. 4 will become 5 and 8, double of 8 will be 16. We will simply take the, let's take another example. 34 into 2. Double of 3 will be 6. Double of 4 will be 8. Simple. 46 into 2. Double of 4 will be 8, but the next number is 5 or more than 5. आपको अब तक हैबिट हो गई होगी जब हमने सिंपल एडिशन किया है तो नेक्स्ट नंबर को देखने की. सो 4 का डबल हो गया 8, 8 में 1 ऐड करेंगे 9 एंड 6 का डबल 12. विल सिंपली राइट 2 बिकॉज वी हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ 1 ऑलरेडी. Let us take the example of 3-digit number. 124 multiplied by 2. Double of 1 is 2, double of 2 is 4, double of 4 is 8. Simple. 246. I'm taking random number. Double of 2 is 4, next number is less than 5, so it will remain 4 as it is. Double of 4 is 8, next number is more, so it will become 1 more, and double of 6 will be 2. Let's take another example. Double of 4 will be 8, but next is 5, so it will become 9. Double of 5 will be 10, next is more than 5, so it will become 11. We'll write only 1 over here. Double of 8 will be 16. Let's take another example of 4-digit number. Double of 4 will be 8, but next is 5. Double of 5 will be 10. Next is 6, so it will be 1. Double of 6 will be 12. Next is less than 5, so 2 will remain 2. And double of 2 will be 4. We can take another example of a bigger number. Double of 7 will be 14. Next is less than 5, so it will remain as it is. Double of 4 will be 8. Next is a bigger number, so it will become 9. Double of 5 will be 10. Next is a smaller number than 5, so it will remain as it is. Double of 3 will be 6 and double of 2 will be 4. I hope you understood the method. Thank you.